The Silent Killer, Bad Content and Your Website, written by Neil Patel from neilpatel.com. Imagine you own a shop. You wouldn't want dusty, broken products on your shelves, right? Your website is the same. Bad content chases away visitors. It hurts your search engine ranking. No one wants to read boring, outdated, or confusing content. This guide will show you how to find and fix bad content. We'll use Google Analytics, a free tool that tracks website performance. Think of it as your website's report card. We'll keep it simple, no jargon, promise. Why bad content is like a leaky bucket. Bad content is like a leaky bucket. It drains your website's potential. People leave quickly, frustrated and unimpressed. This hurts your search engine ranking. Google wants to show users the best, most relevant content. Bad content sends negative signals, pushing your website down in search results. Less traffic, fewer leads, lower sales. All consequences of neglecting your content. The good news? It's fixable. Let's learn how to identify the leaks and plug them. The vital signs, key metrics to monitor content health. Just like a doctor uses vital signs to assess a patient's health, we use key metrics to evaluate the health of our content. Google Analytics provides valuable data to assess your content's performance. It's a powerful tool that offers insights into how well your content is engaging your audience. We'll focus on 3 crucial metrics. These are the indicators that can tell us a lot about how our content is performing and where we might need to make improvements. Bounce rate, the percentage of visitors who leave your website after viewing only one page. This metric is crucial because it can indicate whether your content is engaging or if visitors are leaving without exploring further. A high bounce rate suggests something's wrong. It could be that the content isn't relevant, the page is taking too long to load, or the user experience is poor. Average time on page, how long visitors spend on a specific page. This metric helps us understand if visitors are finding the content valuable enough to stay and read. Short durations might indicate uninteresting or confusing content. If visitors are leaving quickly, it's a sign that the content needs to be more engaging or clearer. Exit rate, the percentage of visitors who leave your website from a particular page, even if they visited other pages in the same session. This metric can help identify problematic pages that might be driving visitors away. A high exit rate can signal a problem with that specific page. It might be that the content isn't meeting the visitor's expectations or there's a technical issue. These metrics are like a doctor checking your pulse and temperature. They provide a snapshot of your website's overall health and can help diagnose issues. They give you a general idea of your website's health. By regularly monitoring these metrics, you can ensure your content remains effective and engaging, leading to better performance and user satisfaction. Bounce rate, the first red flag. A high bounce rate is often the first sign of content trouble. It means people are landing on your page and leaving without exploring further. Several factors can contribute to a high bounce rate. Unclear messaging. Visitors can't figure out what your page is about. Poor design and user experience. The page is visually unappealing or difficult to navigate. Irrelevant content. The content doesn't match the user's search intent or interests. Technical issues. The page loads slowly or has broken links. Addressing these issues can significantly improve your bounce rate and keep visitors engaged. Time on page. Are visitors sticking around? Average time on page tells you how long visitors are spending on a specific page. A short duration could mean the content is boring or irrelevant. Visitors didn't find what they were looking for. It could also mean the content is too short. There wasn't enough information to keep them engaged. Or perhaps the page is difficult to read. Poor formatting, small font sizes, or excessive jargon can make visitors leave. Longer times on page generally indicate engaging, valuable content. Exit rate. Where did everyone go? Exit rate reveals which pages are common exit points from your website. A high exit rate on a specific page doesn't necessarily mean it's bad. It could be the last page in a natural user journey, like a thank you page after a purchase. However, a high exit rate on a crucial page, like a product page or a blog post you want people to read, could signal a problem. It suggests visitors aren't finding what they expected or encountered obstacles. Deep dive advanced techniques for content audit. Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore advanced techniques for a more in-depth content audit. Content grouping. Organize your content into logical groups within Google Analytics to analyze performance by category. Landing page analysis. Identify which pages are entry points for your website and assess their effectiveness in engaging visitors. Mobile performance analysis. Understand how your content performs on mobile devices and identify areas for improvement. These techniques provide granular insights to pinpoint content weaknesses and prioritize improvements. Content grouping. Organizing your content for insights. Content grouping lets you group similar pages in Google Analytics to analyze their collective performance. It's like organizing your shop into sections like electronics, clothing, and books. For example, you can group all your blog posts by topic, all your product pages by category, or all your landing pages by campaign. This allows you to identify top-performing content categories, seeing which topics or products resonate most with your audience. You can also spot underperforming groups, uncovering areas that need improvement or content that might be irrelevant. Plus, you can compare performance across groups to understand what works best for different content types and optimize accordingly. Landing page report. First impressions matter. The landing page report in Google Analytics shows you which pages are the first ones people see when they visit your website. This report helps you identify your top landing pages, seeing which pages are effectively driving traffic and attracting visitors. You can also analyze bounce rate and engagement metrics to understand how well your landing pages capture visitor interest. And of course, optimize landing pages for conversions by improving design, messaging, and calls to action to guide visitors towards desired actions. A well-optimized landing page is crucial for converting visitors into customers or subscribers. Mobile performance. Are you mobile-friendly? In today's mobile-first world, ensuring your website is mobile-friendly is paramount. With more people accessing the internet via their smartphones than ever before, a mobile-friendly website is no longer just a nice-to-have, it's a necessity. Google Analytics lets you analyze how your content performs on different devices. This powerful tool provides insights into user behavior, helping you understand how visitors interact with your site on mobile versus desktop. You can see the bounce rate on mobile versus desktop, where a significantly higher bounce rate on mobile might indicate usability issues. High bounce rates can be a red flag, signaling that users are leaving your site quickly due to poor mobile experience. You can also check the time on page for different screen sizes, as shorter durations on mobile could suggest difficulty reading or navigating. If users are spending less time on your mobile site, it might be time to rethink your design and content layout. And don't forget to look at conversion rates across devices, where lower conversion rates on mobile might indicate obstacles in the checkout process or form submissions. Identifying these issues can help you streamline the user journey and boost conversions. Optimizing your website for mobile ensures a seamless experience for all visitors, regardless of their device. This means faster load times, easy navigation, and a user-friendly interface that keeps visitors engaged and encourages them to take action. By prioritizing mobile optimization, you're not only improving user satisfaction, but also enhancing your site's overall performance and achieving better results. So, ask yourself, are you truly mobile-friendly? Fixing the cracks. Actionable steps to better content. You've identified your website's weak spots. These could be areas where your content isn't performing as well as you'd like, or where your audience engagement is lower than expected. Now it's time to take action. Taking the right steps can transform these weak spots into strengths. Here are some practical tips to improve your content. These steps are designed to be straightforward and effective, helping you make the most of your existing content. Update and refresh outdated content by revisiting older posts, updating information, and adding new insights to keep them relevant. This not only improves the quality of your content, but also shows your audience that you are committed to providing up-to-date information. Optimize for SEO by using relevant keywords, writing compelling meta descriptions, and building backlinks to improve your search engine ranking. SEO optimization is crucial for increasing your content's visibility and attracting more visitors to your site. Improve UX design by making your website visually appealing, easy to navigate, and mobile-friendly to enhance user experience. A well-designed website can significantly impact how users interact with your content. Add visuals by incorporating images, videos, and infographics to break up text and make your content more engaging. Visual elements can help convey your message more effectively and keep your audience interested. And write for your audience by understanding your target audience's needs and interests and creating content that resonates with them. Tailoring your content to your audience ensures that it is relevant and valuable to them. Remember, improving your content is an ongoing process. It's not something you do once and forget about. Continuously refining and updating your content is key to maintaining its effectiveness. Regularly track your analytics, experiment with different approaches, and never stop optimizing for a better user experience. By keeping an eye on your performance metrics, you can identify what works and what doesn't, allowing you to make informed decisions and continually improve your content strategy.